Use the substitution method to solve the following system of linear equations. So when we use substitution, we want to begin by getting one of the equations set equal to just one variable. So let's work with the second equation and set it equal to y. So we have 3x minus 2 equals a negative y. And then we want to divide each side by negative 1 in order to have y by itself. And that leaves us with y equals a negative 3x plus 2. Now we want to substitute what y equals, so y equals a negative 3x plus 2, into the second equation, anywhere we see y. So we have 5x plus 3y, but we know y equals negative 3x plus 2, and that equals 8. So now we solve for x, so we have 5x, and we distribute this 3, so we have plus a negative 9x plus 6 equals 8. Again, simplify, so we have 5x plus a negative 9x, which leaves us with a negative 4x plus 6 equals 8. And subtract 6 from each side, so we have a negative 4x equals 2. So x equals 2 divided by a negative 4, or x equals negative 1/2. Now that we have our x value, we want to plug this back into one of the equations to solve for the y value. So we're left with y equals a negative 3 times negative 1/2 plus 2. So y equals 3/2 plus 2. And 3/2 plus 2 is 7/2. So we know y equals 7/2. So for our final answer, we want to put this as an ordered pair. So our x value is a negative 1/2, and our y value is 7/2. So we know our final answer is E.